The next question is, sometimes while offering salah, I happen to forget the number of rakah. What should I do in this situation? Should I continue or restart?
It depends. If you are suffering from this in every single salat or every day, this means that shaitan is messing up with your head. Most people who suffer from this illness on daily basis, they know what they prayed, but shaitan comes to the 5%, maybe it's not fourth rak'ah, maybe it's third. Ya akhi, wallahi, deep down, I know it's 99.99% I've prayed for. But this is something that is, scratching me from inside. I don't know what to do. Ya Allah, let us add one rak'ah. This is shaitan. But if it's normal, no, every day I'm fine, I have no issues. Once every blue moon, seriously, I am lost, I'm confused. 3 or 4. In this case, the Prophet says, alayhi salam, to those who have it once every blue moon, disregard the doubt. Where is the doubt? I'm doubtful whether I prayed 3 or 4. Where is the doubt? The fourth. Because 3, I'm certain I've prayed. But the doubt is whether I prayed the 4th or not. Disregard the doubt, number 4. And add another rak'ah. And then prostrate for forgetfulness before the salam. And that is concluding your prayer. So I hope this clarifies it a bit.